also living there, you think? Like, are these houses?
Yeah, it's weird.
Not about here with the
Yazd used to be the well, it's written, I think. Yazd used to be a Zoroastrian capital.
I want to climb those mountains, guys.
We are going to do it because that is something.
Yeah.
To make it short, this is what you call a Dachme. This Dachme is named the Tower of Silence. It's near Yazd. In Zoroastrian religion, they used to put like dead bodies instead of burying them. They used to put them in this big towers, like on hills, and to let them rot and get eaten by vultures. They stopped doing it in the 70s because the cities were expanding and it was getting too close. In Zoroastrian religion, when someone dies, it's considered that body gets like filled with demons and stuff like this, so they put it as far away as possible. And you know what they do now, the Zoroastrians? They bury but under concrete, because they still think like they did this because they thought the dead body, the moment someone dies, the dead body can be like possessed by demons.
Wow.
This is why they put them so far away. But now that they can't anymore, they bury but under concrete so that demons don't come back. Let's get down there now. Were you afraid? Nothing. I think that's like the canals. I think this is for water. I hope so. Is my light even working? Well, it stops here. I saw something like this, but for water. Is it that? It looks like there's nothing.
This looks like air conditioning.
Yeah, there's nothing, literally nothing. Oh, there is no snakes. Oh no.
It's just a building for stairs, actually.
It's just fitness related.
Like something like, you know, when they close.
Zoroastrian traditional toilets, maybe.
Oh.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
that's absolutely it. Yeah, you got me. It's a toilet. It's difficult. Look. That's a toilet to me.
For sure, it's a bathroom.
Look, squatting.
Yeah, but what happens then? I mean,
Oh, there. Look, it's open there. Just like flush and like hygiene. They didn't give a fuck, I think, back then. So. I'm investigating. I'll tell you. This is an important matter, I think. I don't know.
Do you know what is this place?
I think it's a toilet. Like you can squat and there's like a hole. I think it's a toilet. That's nice. Why is it so dark?
I don't know, but
Maybe they were cooking here, no?
they colored the roof.
Oh, maybe they put.
Burn?
Yeah, there's a fire. There used to be a fire here.
Yeah, I think they burn fire here and
Yeah, they pray in front of it. Yeah, they worship fire.
yeah.
This is the ruins of an old village that used to be next to the Tower of Silence. This village was for the people that worked in the funerary industry. Well, since dead bodies spread diseases, and they had this belief that dead body spread demons. The people who take care of this body, they were not accepted in the city, so they had to live all alone here. Someone ate a pigeon here, I'm probably sure. Some hobo, some backpacker. Oh, that's more modern. That's definitely more modern. This place is fancier. This place is fancier. It's like I'd live here actually. And they have Wi-Fi, I think, internet. I like all these holes. It's very aesthetically pleasing until you want to sleep, because you have like to wake up with the light on your face at 4 a.m. I haven't seen your camera, wait. Posing. Exactly. You always need that intellectual picture in. And this is the city of Yazd. Oh, they really let this ruin run to decay. This is why you can feel that Yazd is a city by in the middle of the desert. Is when you go on the outskirts of it. Like it's really desertic. Mountains, like dust mountains, black rock mountains. First thing I can see is that those people were actually super small. And we can see here, I think the sign of a hand. Pretty weird hand. Maybe like this. The left, yeah, no, yeah, weird hand. Oh. Yeah, people definitely come here to like have a drink and no, you know the vibes. Salam. Salam. Obi? Okay. Well, it seems like they respect their monuments. I suppose my hood on because I keep banging my my head on the doors. They're so small, the doors.
Yeah, they're so low.
Yeah. Is this some like traditional Zoroastrian jacuzzi?
Yeah, must be.
So there are 2 towers of silence. That's a scam. I wanted only one. They told me only one on Google. This reminds me of the house of my grandparents back in Tunisia. The same kind of roofs, round roofs. How it doesn't break down under my weight. And so the whole now this is definitely a kitchen. I can recognize a kitchen right here. There's a nice pillar here. That's going to be long. Regarde-moi ces montagnes, c'est incroyable les montagnes pour un aspect. C'est ouf. Oh, that's interesting. They made it on purpose that only the vultures eat the bodies, because vultures eat on spots. They eat on the spots. Other like animals, they will drag the body and it will be disrespectful. So this is where they were put. I'm super stupid because I thought that was a Sanskrit.
Yeah.
It's just like lovers, big lovers. I think the hole is like a well for the bones to be like taken away by the water. So there are no bones.
You wanna do it inside?
And wait for the vultures like this.
You see, look, the people lying down. It's crazy.
Oh,
You see?
oh, they look like they're just chilling there.
Yeah. It was full of bones. Imagine, crazy. See the cat?
Ooh.
I couldn't believe it when he sent me that.
The fact that there is still like burning stuff, I feel like they still come and worship, like put fire and they still. Yeah.
Maybe just dickheads is coming here to chill.
Maybe. So.
Seems like it would.
But it's like clean dickheads, because normally like it would be really dirty. These doors are too small for me. I end my journey by sharing my presence with the ancestors.